everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you a Temu haul. I loved my other one and I'm honestly absolutely obsessed with Temu. I could literally sit on there for hours and just scroll and scroll and scroll and add things to my basket. It is honestly an unhealthy obsession. If you don't know what Temu is, then it is a website where you can get amazing deals, amazing coupons. You can get some really good quality products for such affordable prices as well. They have site-wide sales on all the time from like up to 90% off, which is crazy. They do also offer free shipping and free returns from up to 90 days. If you haven't checked out Temu before and you haven't downloaded their app, then I definitely recommend downloading that app because I have got a unique code which I'll leave on the screen for you here, and you can use that to get 50% off, and that is for new users only. So make sure you create an account, make sure you download the app. I definitely recommend the app because it's just so much easier to use. It's there on your phone. It's such a good website for all of those things that you want and you didn't know you needed. Enough of me rambling anyway. I'm going to get straight on into the haul because I know that's what you're all here for. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. It really, really does help me out, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me over on my TikTok, and without further ado, let's get on into today's video. I'm going to start off strong and go in with this gorgeous blanket. I am such a blanket on the sofa kind of gal, especially now that we're having rainy days and autumn is here, and yeah, sitting on the sofa snuggled with a blanket, it's just the best. I'm actually fully embracing autumn now. Like, I've given over with summer. Like, I am such a summer girl, but we've had so many rainy days lately and I've just been like, you know what, let's just get into the autumn spirit. Because I do love this time of year as well. It's just so festive, so cozy. It's not that I don't like it. I just love to have a good summer first. Like this year, we weren't really blessed with a lot of good weather. But hey ho, we're in autumn now and we can get cozy and get festive, ready for the end of the year festivities. So I saw this blanket on the website and oh my gosh, I could tell what kind of like material it was gonna be. And I think they did this in a few different sizes and also a few different colours. And I was going to get the beige and I was just like, no, you know what? I'm going to pick a pop of colour. So I did. I picked a pop of colour and it was this gorgeous, like, would you call this like aqua blue? And it is reversible as well. So on the other side, it's white with the blue faces and then obviously blue with the white faces. But this is huge. Like, I mean, massive. You're not even going to be able to see it, but I can literally sit here right now and wrap this right around me. Oh my gosh. And it is the softest material. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see. Yeah, you can see how soft that is. Like, oh, it's just so fluffy. I know Cleo is going to be stealing this off me as well. Like, she is going to love this. We may as well stay on the same theme of the smiley faces because I did in fact pick up the viral smiley faced slippers. So here is what they look like. How cute. So the colour inside is like a beige brownie colour, and then I chose the little pink smiley face. These have been going like viral everywhere. I've seen them literally on everyone's Instagrams, etc. And I really needed some new slippers because where are mine? Mine are underneath here. And they are absolutely battered. Like, I don't even really want to show you them too much, but I think these are so cute. These are actually going to go in my outfit today so well, so you bet I'm going to be wearing these right now. But yeah, I picked up the pink ones. I didn't know whether to pick up the blue to match the blanket, but then I just thought I'm going to be wearing these like all the time, so I just thought pink is a really, really cute colour, so I picked those. I'm going to actually put them on my feet right now. Oh my god, they're so comfy. They're such good quality again. Like, let me stand up and actually test them. Walk around in them. They're literally so squidgy and so soft. Like, you don't even need to wear socks with these. Wow. I have been so obsessed with glass straws. Like, ridiculously obsessed. I love them for iced coffees, for my orange juices, like any drink that I drink, I will have a glass straw. Cokes, and I saw these and I just couldn't not pick them up. Like, I've wanted some I've got some plain glass straws at the minute. Like, I've not got any really, really cutesy glass straws. And I didn't realise you could get cutesy glass straws, but you definitely can, because these ones on Temu, oh my god. So they come in a pack of 5. You just wait till I show you these. If you're a glass straw girly, then you are gonna love these. Look at that, it's got a little butterfly on it. So this one is a pink butterfly. We have got a purple butterfly. I think this one's my favourite. We've got a yellow butterfly, blue butterfly, and then last but not least, a green butterfly. I'm gonna have to be so delicate with these when washing up and everything, just like you have to be with every like glass straw. But I love the fact that they're also like bent at the top, so they're a little bit tilted. But the butterflies, oh, they just make them. They also come with the cleaner too. Oh, actually, bonus, they come with 2 cleaners, which is perfect. You always need these. If you don't clean your straws with these, then I don't know what you're doing, especially if you have coffee and things like thick milk going up the straws. Like, you really need to clean them with that, because there's no way of cleaning them otherwise inside, and they do get like built up and it's kind of disgusting. But obviously the bonus with glass straws is that you can actually see if they are dirty inside, whereas like other straws that you have, like plastic ones and things, if they're coloured, then you can't actually see the disgusting build up inside of them. But I cannot wait to use these straws. I just think they're absolutely adorable. So here we have something, again, that I've wanted for so long. And this is an ice cube box. So in my Cokes and my orange juices and yeah, just everything, I always love ice because I like to have it ice cold. Even in my little Stanley Cup dupe, this is also what I got from Temu, but I got this in my last haul. I love this thing. I've got my orange squash in it right now. Oh, and it's so good. If you put ice in that thing, it stays cold all day, even into the next day as well. Like, I know sometimes that is kind of rank, but honestly, it keeps your drink fresh for so long. I saw these on TikTok before, but never one like this well thought through and really good quality as well. So inside you get the box, which is just here. How cute is that? It's got like little rain clouds on it, which I think is really sweet. So you get the box, which is actually really big. You get a little scoop to scoop your ice cubes out with afterwards, and it's pink. You get to choose the colour as well. I obviously chose pink. But yeah, the little scoop. Oh, it's so cute. It reminds me of a little pick and mix scoop. And then you also get 3 ice cube trays. How crazy is that? So to get the ice out once it's obviously iced, once the water is frozen, you peel that off and pour them into your box, and then you'll have loads of little ice balls to pop into your drinks. That fly best buzz off. But they've got, to fill them up, you literally just need to pour water on this bit, because they've got little holes in the top, if you can see that. And then you literally just stack them in there, like so, on top of each other, and then put that in the freezer, and then wait for them to freeze, and then yeah, you're literally good to go. Temu is actually really good for like DIY projects and things as well. So if you've been a subscriber of my channel for a while, you'll know that I love making candles. Like, I love making my own candles, and I really needed one of these metal candle pouring pots, because with metal and wax, it actually is so much better. Like, it melts so much better. You can't really use plastic because it just doesn't work, because the wax just gets stuck to the plastic. You can't heat the plastic jug up enough for the wax to then melt without melting the plastic jug, because that was one mistake that I made. So I looked on Temu for one of these, and this was so affordable. If you look on Amazon for these type of tin jugs, they're so expensive. But yeah, Temu, so affordable. Look at that good quality. You're probably looking at me, if you don't do candle making, then you're probably looking like it's literally just a tin jug. And yes, it is just a tin jug, but this makes me so happy. It can hold 61 ounces of wax in there, and that is really, really good for me and my candle making. And then also it comes with a little stirring spoon too, so I'm really excited to add that to my candle making collection. We're moving on to a kind of boring thing, I suppose, but I picked up this mop and mop bucket. I've got a lino floor in my kitchen and in the bathroom actually, so yeah, I just really wanted, I have got a mop, but I've got no mop bucket. So it's one of those ones that doesn't come with a mop bucket because it's kind of, it looks like this. It looks like this mop head. So them type of mop heads don't fit in a bucket unless you get one like this and it comes with a bucket that's made just for it. The little mop bucket, as you can see in here as well, you get two, which is really good actually. You get two mop, what do you call these? These are the things that obviously clean your floor. These attached to the mop. So this is perfect to have two because while one's on the mop, the other one can be in the wash once you've used it and whatnot. Little plug things go into this bit because that's obviously where you empty the water out of each side. Attached it to the handle and then literally just put it in one side, out, put it in the other side. I am so excited to use, oh, I keep knocking everything because the handle's so tall now. I'm really excited to use this though. That is such adult life. Temu have a really, really good selection of like gadgets as well on there. So I have been meaning to pick up a proper car tripod for ages, like literally since I started YouTube, and I've been on YouTube, what, 4 or 5 years now. So I finally picked one up. So yeah, this is just a like 3 suction tripod, and I can attach my phone to it. I can attach my camera. So yeah, my drive with me's and mukbangs and things like that are just going to be 10 times better now because my camera actually has somewhere to sit. Going back on to homeware stuff, I picked up these 3, what do you call these, like shampoo, conditioner and body wash like dispensers. So they just look like so. They are literally black. I picked these up because me and Sam have been on about getting some for ages because we have actually got a like organizer in the shower. I hate the look of random shampoo bottles, random body wash bottles everywhere. And if we can just literally pour whatever shampoo, conditioner, body wash we're using that week, that month, into one of these and obviously have a label on it, which these actually come with the labels too, as you can see. They just look like so. So you've got body wash, shampoo, mouthwash if you want to put mouthwash in, and conditioner. But we are going to be using conditioner, body wash and shampoo. In the set you get 3 black bottles, and these are just going to look so good in my shower. I'm actually going to quickly put the stickers on them now. There is the body wash one. How cute! I love the shampoo one and the conditioner one. These are super cute and I cannot wait to fill them up and start using them. So we're getting on to the last few things now. In here, I can't actually remember what is in this, but it's this brown box. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in the bag. Oh, I can remember what I got. So in here, I got a little vase. Now I saw these all over the Temu like app and I loved it. How cute is this? So it is meant to be a little strawberry. So they come in different colours. You can actually get the red strawberry obviously, but I just thought the pink strawberry, even though it's not really a strawberry, is it? Because obviously you can't really get pink strawberries. It would just go so much better in my house than a red strawberry would, because I feel like the red strawberry is quite aggressive. But if you like that and you've got like a red room in your house or like red accents around your house, then it'll be perfect. But this one I saw and yeah, I just love it. With some like faux tulips in, I thought would look incredible. So I don't even know where I'd put it. I think I'd probably put this in my dressing room actually. But I just think it's adorable. So it just looks like so. It is a light pink strawberry with like little red pips. Oh, it's just so cute. I don't actually know what the material is. Kind of feels like, I don't know if it's pot or if it's, I think it might be plastic. But it's like a good quality plastic. Like you can't really tell. But then it does kind of feel like pot too. So I'm not really sure. But I do think it's absolutely adorable, and yeah, I can't wait to buy some faux flowers and just pop them in it. And then the last thing out of this haul is some headphones. Now, if you saw my other Temu haul, I did get a pair of headphones in that one. I am obsessed with them. The sound quality is amazing. They are just amazing, and Sam got very jealous and he wanted some too. Now, my ones that I got last time were out of stock, so he picked these ones, which literally look like some dupes for some famous headphones that we all know. He hasn't even used these yet, so I'll if you're interested, I'll let you know what he thinks of them. But this is what they look like. They're just black. They've got the cushioning part here, and they just look like so. I actually really like them. Gosh, when you put them on your ear, they do that thing where block out all of the sound around you, so I sound really muffled at the minute to myself. But yeah, they also do like stretch as well, as you can see. But yeah, they've got like a little pattern on the top. They obviously twist. And they've got the buttons on the side, which is the volume buttons, the call buttons, play and pause, and then the skip as well, and on and off obviously. So yeah, you get those, and you also inside get your little charger too. So yeah, I'm sure he's going to absolutely love these. These are going to be perfect for him for the gym. That's what I use mine for, and when I go on dog walks too. So yeah. They are so cute. So that is everything for today's haul. I really do hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what your favourite item that I picked was. I can't actually choose. I don't know. It's probably, oh God, I love everything, but it's probably got to be either the slippers or the blanket, I think. I think out of everything they are, oh, but then I've got the straws as well. I don't know. They're my top 3 items that I picked for this haul. Obviously, I love everything, but my top 3 have to be the slippers, the blanket, and the straws, because I'm just obsessed with straws. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much to Temu for partnering with me on today's video. I love you guys. I can't rave about you guys enough. If you haven't downloaded the Temu app, make sure you do. Also, make sure you use my code when you check out. It will get you 50% off. I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll leave all the information in the description box down below, along with all of the links to the items that I've picked out today as well. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my TikTok, and I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye!